Okay, so we're gonna need is drill with your bit, and we're gonna need our hose bit, 3/4, and our 3/4 tank fitting here. So this is a neon tank fitting, and we'll use a reciprocal saw. What we're gonna need is your barrels. So we got some barrels here that will be cutting open. So we'll be cutting the top here. So we'll be cutting around top. From there, we'll be drilling a hole just a little bit above here. I'll put a fitting in there. Eye protection on and make a little hole and then drill all the way around. Top the lid. Get somebody to sit on here too if you can. Okay, so go around, cut that off. Get this. Go around again, trim the excess out. So once we got that cut up, we'll go just a little bit above here and we're going to find a spot here from the bottom up. And we'll drill about 1 1/4 hole here, and then we're gonna thread it inside out. So we got a hole here, 1 1/4, and here's the this is the bulkhead fitting, so it's gonna go right in here. So it's gonna go in here. If it doesn't fit, you grind up a little bit. You got your 1 1/4 hole here, and you got your hose bit, your bulkhead. And what you can do is you try to get some of this burr out here. So just get a little bit of burr out, and then you can go inside. So you got your bulkhead here, and the bulkhead will fit in here from the outside. So it's gonna go here. Take this off. Take this little plastic here that goes inside. Take that off. Put this in here, and there, and that goes inside with your cup here. And this is left hand threaded, so make sure you go left. Okay, so you gotta get inside the barrel, put the plastic in here, and you know this is left hand, so I'm gonna go left hand threaded. Make sure you go left threaded. Put that on there, tie up, tie this thing up. This is ice. Tie that up. There you go, that's tight enough. And we should be good to go right there. So get your bulkhead in there, thread your hose, and then put it in there. And then you should be good to go. Okay, so we have our torch here. So we're going to use this torch. And what we're going to do is we're going to go around the ram here, you can see, and get all that burr off. Look very nice. That way we put our hand in here, and we will not scratch our hand once we touch this edge here. So we're going to do that around here, make it look nice. So we use the torch, and see, we just heat this up so we're not scratching our hand on here. And just do the best you can. Something looks pretty good. So it just looks like that all the way around. So we don't have any rough or sharp edges that we can scratch ourselves on. So this is okay. So we'll get here. Another way, if you don't have a torch, okay, you're gonna use a razor blade. You should get a razor blade and just go across here, you know, and get all that out. So you'll get all that burr out. That way they don't scratch you. So I should just go across here and just get them all out. And then after that, you can just go with the torch and, you know, make it smooth. But get all this burr here. Get them all out here. Should come out very easy. Look at that. So get all that burr out. Some here. I got some of it here pretty good. So got some of this burr pretty good here. That way you don't have to use a lot of the propane torch. Go much smoother if you do this. So after that, you can just use the torch and get it very nice and smooth. So if you do have a leak, you know, around the rubber here, and then what you want to do is you want to just grab your vice grip and you want to put it one right around here, and have something hold down the ground. That have it hold that, and then get another vice grip, and you want to go inside there. And remember, it's left threaded, so while pushing your feet down there, 1% job, you can just wrench that left threaded, and you tighten that up, and that will stop the leak. So a lot, because most likely you're gonna have a little leak coming here. So once you get that tied up a little bit more, you won't have any more leak. So that's only the problem we have with this bulkhead here.